In the last class we have discussed exercise 5.2 8th question. Now let us see the 9th question. Here what the question given here. A table was sold for 2,142 rupees at a gain of 5%. At what price should it be sold to gain 10%? So here they have said that one table is there. They have sold that table at a cost of 2,142 rupees. That means it will become the selling price because they said that the table was sold. So here what they have given here, they have given here the selling price of the table. How much they have given, which is 2,142. So a table was sold for 2,142 rupees. So that how much gain they have got it here? They have got a gain of 5%. So after sold how much gain they have got it here? 5%. But you don't know what is the original cost price. So what is the cost price of the table we don't know. Just what they said here, they have sold the table at a cost of 2,142 rupees. After selling that table, they have get a gain of 5%. Now based on this, you need to calculate what is the cost price of the table, so that you can calculate here at what price should it be sold to gain 10%. Let us first calculate what is the cost price. So what they have given here, a table was sold at a cost of 2,142 rupees. That means the selling price of the table they have given as 2,142. Now based on that, how much gain they have got? 5% of gain they have got. But what is the original cost price we don't know. Let us calculate the original cost price. So while telling the previous sessions, I have already given the formulas. So if you know the selling price and if you know the gain percentage, you can calculate the cost price by using the formula. Cost price is equal to selling price by 1 plus gain percentage by 100. By using this formula, you can calculate the cost price. If you know the selling price and if you know the gain percentage, you can calculate the cost price by using this formula. So let us substitute here. So what should be the cost price in this case? What is the selling price? Which is 2,142 by, and what is the gain percentage? Which is 5. So write it here 5 by 100. Now let us do the simplification here, so that you will get here cost price is equal to 2,142 by. Now let us take the LCM here. What you will get here? 100 into 1, which is 100. So write it here 100 plus 5 by 100. Now let us simplify this one. How much you will get it here? 100 plus 5, which is nothing but 105. So you will get here the cost price as 2,142 by 105 by 100. Now you know that if you take this value to the numerator, it will become division, multiplication, so that you will get here 2,142 into 100 by 105. It is division. If you take that one, it will become multiplication. Now you need to calculate this value, so that you have to find the value of the cost price. So what they have given here, they have given here the selling price and they have given here the gain, and based on that, what is the cost price of the table you need to calculate. So by using this formula, you can calculate the cost price. Let us solve this one. Now let us cancel these values. You know that in 5 table these two values will get cancelled. So here 5 2s are 10 and 0. Similarly 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now let us see here in which table these two values are get cancelled. Clearly in 21 table these two values are get cancelled. 21 1s 21, and since we cannot take these two values at a time, so you need to keep it here 0, and 21 2s 42. So write it here 2. So what is the value you are getting here? 1 or 2. Now what should be the cost price? Which is 102 into 20. Now let us multiply this one. So at last 0 is there, so write it here 0. Now multiply 1 or 2 with 2, right? 2 2s are 4, so write it here 4. 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2. but the shopkeeper has sold the table for 2142 so that they had got gain of 5%. Now let us see here the next one. The question is still not completed. So what they have given here is, at what price should it be sold to gain 10%? So here what they are asking here, if they want 10% gain, at what cost price they need to sell it here? At what price should it be sold to gain 10%? That means if the shopkeeper wants 10% of gain, how much the selling price it should be? You need to calculate. That means here what they have given here, gain percentage they have given, and you know the original cost price of the table just now we have calculated, which is 2040. Now you need to calculate the selling price, because what they asked here, at what price should it be sold to gain 10%? That means if you want to get 10% gain on the table, at which selling price you need to sell, you need to calculate. That means you need to calculate the selling price of the table. So let us do that one. Now from this what we got it here, we got it here the cost price of the table. So what we got it here, therefore cost price of the table, how much you got, which is 2040. This is the cost price of the table. Just now we have calculated. Now what they said here, if you want to gain 10%, that means if you want to get the gain as 10%, how much we have to sold? That means what should be the selling price in that case? You need to find. So here you need to calculate the value of the selling price. What is the selling price you need to calculate? So if you know the cost price and if you know the gain percentage, again which formula you need to apply to calculate the selling price? It should be selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus gain percentage by 100. By using this formula you can calculate the selling price. So let us substitute here the values what we know here. So what should be the cost price, which is 2040, and what is the gain percentage, which is 10. Now take the LCM, so that what we are getting here, 2040 into 100 into 1, which is 100, plus 10 by 100. Now 100 plus 10, which is 110. So what you are getting here, which is 2040 into 110 by 100, right? 2040, 100 plus 10, which gives you 110 by 100. Now let us do the simplification here. So here 0 will get cancelled, and similarly here 0 and here 0 will get cancelled, and what is left out, which is 204 into 11. Now just multiply. 11 4s are 44, so you will get here 44. 11 2s are 22. So what is the selling price of the table, which is nothing but 2244. So here what the question they have given here, they have given here the selling price of the table as 2142, and they have given here the gain as 5%. So we have calculated from that what should be the cost price of the table. So we got it here 2040. Now what they asked here, still they asked here, if you want to gain 10% on the table, at which selling price you need to sold the table. So that we have calculated the selling price, we got it as 2244. Now let us go for the next problem. Question. Here, understand this question properly. Here, what they said here, Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. If John pays 1330, how Gopi sold it. So let us understand this question properly. What they have given here, Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim. One watch is there. Gopi sold that watch to Ibrahim. Right? That means here how much what they have given here at 12% gain. Gopi sold to Ibrahim at a gain of 12%. That means that watch that is become the selling price of the Gopi and the same thing will become the cost price of the Ibrahim, right? Because here what they said here, Gopi sold. Sold is nothing but the selling price. But here Ibrahim purchased, right? He has purchased it from Gopi, that it will become the cost price of the Ibrahim. So here what they have given here, Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain. That means it will become the selling price of Gopi. The same thing will become the cost price of the Ibrahim. So let us, you don't know what is the cost price. Let us take here the cost price of Ibrahim is X. The same thing will become the selling price of the Gopi, right? The same thing what it will become? It will become the selling price of Gopi. The same amount. Right? Understood what they have given here? Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim. Since Gopi is selling the watch, it will become the selling price of the Gopi according to the Gopi, if you see. But since he is taking that watch, taking this watch, it will become the cost price of the Ibrahim. So that is what they have given. And what they have given here, the gain is 12%. And again, what they have given here, Ibrahim sold to some other person, which is nothing but John. And Ibrahim sold to that watch to John at a loss of 5%. So again, the same watch he had sold to John at a loss of 5%. So here, if you can observe again, it will become the selling price of the Ibrahim, and the same thing, it will become the cost price of the John. So at a loss of 5%. And after that, what they have given here, if John paid 1,330, that means if John is paying, that means the selling price, right? How much is paying to the Ibrahim, which is nothing but 1,330. That one will become what? Which is nothing but the selling price of the John, right? Now what they have given here, then find how much did Gopi sold it. You need to find the selling price of the Gopi. That means you need to find the cost price of the Ibrahim. So what is the selling price of the Ibrahim, which is nothing but 1,330. Right? Now you need to calculate based on this what is the cost price of Ibrahim, or you can calculate the selling price of the Ibrahim. So just you need to check which information we have known so that you can calculate. Again, what they have given here, Gopi sold a watch to the Ibrahim at a gain of 12%. That means it is become the selling price of the Gopi, and the same thing will become the cost price of the Ibrahim. So let us take the cost price of the Ibrahim is X. We don't know what is the cost price. The same will become the selling price of the Gopi because both are same. Now what they said here, Ibrahim sold that watch to John, right? That means that one will become the selling price of the Ibrahim. The same thing will become the cost price of the John. So how much he had paid? He paid here 1,330. That one will become the selling price of the Ibrahim. So indirectly what they have given here, they have given here the selling price of the Ibrahim, which is 1,330. Now you know the selling price and you know the gain, and you need to calculate the cost price. So what should be the formula here? The cost price is equal to selling price by 1 plus gain percentage by 100. Now what is the selling price, which is 1,330 by 1 plus what is the gain percentage here in this case, which is 12%. So write it here 12 by 100. Now let us calculate here, which is 100 plus 12, which is 112. Here if you take here 100, it will become multiplication. Now let us do here the simplification here in this case. So how much you will get it here? 1,330 into 100 by 112. Now here let us multiply this one so that you will get it here 100 plus 12 by 100. Now, how much you are getting here, which is 1330 by 100 plus 12, which is 112 by 100. Now, if you take this 100 to that side, it will become multiplication, so that we will get 1330 into 100 by 112. Right? If you get cancel this one, you will get the value of the selling price. That if you will get the calculate the value of the cost price, that one will become the selling price of the gobi. So what they have asked in the question, they have asked here how much the gobi sold it. So here gobi selling price is nothing but the cost price of the Ibrahim. Since we know the selling price of the Ibrahim, we have calculated by using the formula cost price is equal to selling price by 1 plus 8% by 100. So that we have got the cost price of the Ibrahim. The same thing will become the selling price of the gobi. So like this you need to solve the question. So let us write the proof of this one. Take the question. Let the selling price of watch let us consider it as X rupees. Now the same thing will become the cost price of the Ibrahim. So write it here, therefore the cost price of Ibrahim is equal to rupees X. So what is the gain they have given here? They have given here the gain as 12% according to the thing. Now you need to take it here. The loss, how much loss they have got it here? 5%. So what should be the loss here? Which is nothing but 5%. And according to him, what is the gain? Which is nothing but they have given here 12%. Now after that, what they have given here? John paid 1330 rupees to the Ibrahim. So that one will become the selling price of the Ibrahim. So write it here. What we know here, the selling price of Ibrahim is nothing but how much they have given, which is 1330. Now again from this you need to calculate the selling price, cost price. What should be the cost price, which is nothing but selling price by 1. Since we know here the loss percentage, you can calculate here 1 minus loss percentage by 100. Or if you want to calculate here in terms of the gobi, you can calculate before I have told. You can write it here 1 plus 8% by 100. So by any of the method you can solve this problem. Again what they have given here, gobi sold a watch to Ibrahim at a gain of 12%. So they have given indirectly the cost price of the watch, which is according to the Ibrahim, and the same thing will become the selling price of the gobi. So if you want to calculate in terms of the gain, you can use that one. And suppose if you want to calculate in terms of the John, you can use this formula, so that you can find the value of the gobi, how much the selling price you can calculate. From this session is completed, and in the next session we are going to solve the